Hi students, here we have to show that the differential equation 2x square into dy by dx minus 2xy plus y square equal to 0 is homogeneous and solve it. Okay students, so here first of all we have to prove that this differential equation is homogeneous. For this students, here we have to write this differential equation in the form dy upon dx equal to f y upon x. Okay students, so here given differential equation is 2x square into dy upon dx minus 2xy plus y square equal to 0. Now here students, we can write it. This implies 2x square dy upon dx equal to here will be 2xy minus y square. Now here, for reducing it into the form dy upon dx equal to fy upon x, here we have to divide both side LHS and RHS by 2x square. Okay, here then here will be students dy upon dx equal to 2xy minus y square upon 2x square. Okay, this implies dy upon dx equal to, here will be students 2xy upon 2x square minus y square upon 2x square. Okay, so here this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, and here this x and here 1x will be cancelled. Now here will be finally dy upon dx equal to y upon x minus 1 by 2 y upon x whole square. This implies here students, we can write it. This is the function of y upon x. This is the function of y upon x. So here this equation is reduced in the form dy upon dx equal to f y upon x. So here we can write this equation in the form dy upon dx equal to f y upon x. So clearly show here given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Okay students, so here our first part is completed here. Okay, now for their solution we have to assume, before assume y is equal to vx, let's suppose this homogeneous differential equation say 1. Okay, now here students, for solving it, here we have to assume let y is equal to vx, because this is the form of dy by dx equal to fy upon x. Let y is equal to vx. Now differentiating it, here will be, and after differentiating this, here will be dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx. Now the value of y and dy by dx, we have to put the value of y and dy by dx in equation 1. Therefore from 1 we get dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx equal to 2xy. That means 2, the value of y is equal to vx, so here will be v x square minus y square is equal to v square x square upon 2x square. Okay, now this implies v plus x dv upon dx equal to, here will be 2v square upon 2x square minus v square x square upon 2x square. Okay, here will be this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled, and this x square and this x square will be cancelled. Here x square and x square will be cancelled. So now here this implies v plus x dv upon dx equal to, here will be v minus 1 by 2 v square, then this v and this v will be cancelled here. So here will be, this implies we can write it dv upon v square equal to minus 1 by 2 dx upon x. Okay, now students, for getting the solution here, we have to integrate it. So here will be, students, here will be integration of dv upon v square, and here will be minus 1 by 2 integration of dx upon x plus constant of integration. Okay, now here will be, students, the integral of 1 upon v square, here will be minus 1 by v equal to minus 1 by 2, the integral of 1 upon x equal to log mod x plus c. Okay, students, now for getting final solution, here we have to replace this v by y upon x, because from here the value of v will be y upon x. Now here in our final solution, we have to put the value of v is equal to y upon x. So here will be, students, this implies here will be y upon x, that means minus x upon y equal to minus 1 by 2 log mod x plus c. Finally, students, our required solution will be minus x upon y plus 1 by 2 log mod x equal to c, which is the required solution of the given differential equation, which is the required solution. Okay, students, thank you so much.